The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that continues to grow in popularity thanks to how efficiently it can help you reach your health and fitness goals. But many people still need the keto diet explained. This guide will provide all the necessary information about the keto diet, how it works, and why this lifestyle can be great for your health. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet, most commonly referred to simply as keto, is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that puts your body in a fat-burning state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your body uses body fat, rather than carbs, as its main source of energy. To get into a state of ketosis, cutting down your carb intake is vital. Many people think of the keto diet as a super high-fat diet, but consuming massive amounts of fat isn't nearly as important as cutting carbs when it comes to changing your metabolism to run on fat. To fully understand this metabolic shift, it's important to understand how your metabolism works. How the diet works. When you eat a diet rich in carbohydrates, your body converts those carbs into glucose, blood sugar, which spikes your blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels rise, they signal your body to create insulin, a hormone that carries glucose to your cells so that it can be used for energy. This is what is known as an insulin spike. Glucose is your body's preferred energy source. As long as you keep eating carbohydrates, your body will keep turning them into sugar, which is then burned for energy. In other words, when glucose is present, your body will refuse to burn off its fat stores. The only way to start burning fat is by removing carbs. This depletes your glycogen stores, stored glucose, leaving your body no choice but to start burning its fat stores. Your body starts converting fatty acids into ketones, putting your body on a metabolic state known as ketosis. To learn more about this product, then you should click the link in the description.